What's going on? So we are at Lake Oroville. We came up here to practice for the BAM Pro-Am, and my camera didn't work until just now. So I've already got 3 fish in the boat. It's cold. It's like 43 degrees. It's overcast. It's on and off. Raining. So I'm gonna work through here carefully. My active target's not working again. My transducer's messed up. Some of the crystals or the diodes that are in it aren't working properly, so when I turn left to right, the screen does this, and I only have one pie wedge. How they're stitched together, only one pie wedge is working, so we're going to do our best. The good news is all my fish this morning came on a crankbait, so keep with that. When I get to the back, I'll probably throw a jig or a worm for a little bit. We're gonna do some traditional stuff. Not gonna go as deep, but I'm gonna give it a shot. A few more bites of what we're doing right now. We'll see. That's it. Let's get them. Done for. I knew that. I felt it. We're gonna go through some tackle today. Seems like every time I'm at Oroville, I go through a ton of tackle. This place is snaggy. I don't mind it. It's part of the game, but it definitely will wear out some tackle here. So. Well, my GoPro keeps messing up. I don't know what's going on. I just caught another fish. Everything's coming on a crankbait today, so I'll try and do some more. Hopefully this fucking camera decides to work. There you go. Oh, did you see my rod tip dance right there? Dude. Something was chasing it, playing with it, pushing it, whatever. That's what all the kids are doing these days. We're doing hot girl shit. should say, don't judge me. Frenzy nail. It's kind of the staple for this rig here. Okay, there we go. Once again, San Diego jam. 6 wraps. Back through the hoop we just made. Wet it. Pull it. We're done. Put the tag in. That's it. We're in business. Hot. Good tailing. Got him that time. That is 3 in a row. How is that possible? Come on, come say hello to the camera. Come be famous. Or whatever. Come be social. Got it that time. Yep, got it. Alright. It's not very big, but I got it. It's big enough. All that matters. Thank you. Very unconventional method of fishing. Just sit down. Set the back. It makes it a little easier to put the fishing pole. Just for sensitivity. You can feel what the bottom's doing now. Or I can feel the bottom, I should say. What the bait's doing. I bet you there's a school down there. I missed, I think, what, 6? 5 or 6 in a row. And I finally hooked one, so. Maybe a school, maybe just a pod. I can't tell because my active target's not working. Oh, he's bigger than the other one. What's up, Fatso? Come here. They're just chunks today. Thanks, dude. It's trying to snow on us, isn't it? We're getting hail already. Real guy. Big chunker. Right in the roof of the mouth. Thanks, buddy. Let's go, dude. What's up? What happened? Hail on you too? not very big. He's just pulled on. Feels like a 3 pound. That's a little small. Got you, didn't I? Thank you. Little guy, fatty. It's the smallest of the day so far. They're just gorging themselves. Oh, smoke.